Good evening, gentlemen. Table for two?
Yes. A table for me and my friend. Thanks.
Let me show you to your table. Are you ready to order?
We'll both have the pasta and vegetable special.
I will be back with your meals soon.
Thanks.
Enjoy your meals, gentlemen.
Thanks. It smells great. Get off the table, Franco! We'll get kicked out! Get down,
Sir,
Franco!
please get off the table.
Get down!
Okay,
Get down!
I will. This is delicious.
It sure is. Oh damn! I dropped my food!
Clumsy Carl.
Oh no. You dropped your meal.
Sorry about that.
I can bring you a new one.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
Thanks.
I dropped my pasta. I'm not wasting that.
Franco!
You don't need to eat off the floor. Let me clean that up.
I don't mind eating off the floor.
Franco! Don't be gross.
Okay. I'll stop.
Half an hour later.
I think we should skip out on the bill, Carl.
No. We can't. Franco! Get back here!
Where did they go? I think they left without paying. They left me with a big mess to clean too. How rude!